Global presents Business Startup 101 with David.
If you have it, don't forget, we will need to you take the numbers down. And my number, just in case you need me at Mercy Builders, is 972-898-9628. That's how you reach me at Mercy Builders, or you can reach any member on the show by calling me, and I will forward their information to you. So, without further ado, let's move it on. All right, we got Cadillac Law. How you doing?
Hey, I'm doing great, David. It's great to see you. Thanks for having me. It is still my year of gratitude. We've got like 3 weeks left until I change my theme. So I just want to open by saying how grateful I am to all the listeners. Y'all are incredibly supportive. And thank you for calling us and supporting our businesses and continuing to listen to our show. I am so grateful to all of you. I have been super duper excited about the child care tax credit that is about to hit on my bank account on July 15th. I'm not sure if y'all have heard, but Joseph Robinette Biden has not only increased the child care tax credit, or the child tax credit that you get every year, he's now giving us the first half as monthly payments for the last half of this year. And I am so excited. I love government cheese. I love government cheese. Okay, well, if you don't have kids, so your kids have to be under 18. And if your kids are 6 and under, you can expect $300 per kid. And if they're over 6, it's going to be $250 per kid till the end of the year. And so usually where we got that, like at our tax return, we got that big bump. This year we're going to get half of our bump through the year, which I think is awesome. I think it's so much easier for normal people to pay their bills, with like a monthly income than just a big yearly credit. So I'm super excited about that. I'm not sure if I shared with all the listeners, but I'm working on my LLM in taxation. So it's basically like a master's degree of law in taxation. The reason I'm doing that, I do real estate, I do wills and estates, I do business planning, estate planning, and really like tax planning is just part of that whole, right? I do the property tax protests. And so if I'm going to advise you to plan your estate, I'm going to need to make sure that I know tax repercussions. I mean, I've had folks come in and say, hey, I want to give my house to my son. And that's super cool. That is actually awesome. And I hope to be in a position to give a house to my child someday. But if I just have you deed that gift over, there could be a huge tax implication. And I'm talking huge, right? A gift tax on the entire value of the house. And so I know that, and I have preventative methods. So if you're wanting to do that, to gift something, make sure you talk to a lawyer first, right? Like, because if you talk to me first, it'll cost you a few $100s, but that is way less than what you'll pay the IRS on the gift tax on this house you just received, okay? So those type of things. So I'm really excited about this education and learning these things, and that's why I'm all up to date on the child tax credit. Cadillac Law is 972-845-1200. Tax questions, real estate questions, estate planning questions, business questions. We handle those type of things. So I'm very appreciative to the listeners, and give us a call at 972-845-1200. I see that Terry Attaway has joined us today. Hi, Terry.
Hello.
How are you? You look great.
Thank you. So do you.
Oh, thank you, friend. So I hope you're doing well. I'm going to hand the mic over to you.